Nah, you shouldn't be doing that.
Where is your stuff?
I didn't bring it. I can't play today.
What are you talking about?
My mother won't let me play. What's wrong, CT? She's got this idea in her head that I'm not going to play any more basketball until I get passing grades at school. It's crazy. I keep telling her I'm going to college on a basketball scholarship.
Hey, can't you talk to this old lady, Punch?
What was that thing from AT&T?
Okay, I'll talk to you.
Was that something from AT&T?
AT&T. Yeah, probably so. They threw it up, throw it in the trash. Did you want it?
No, I don't know.
You want the television and...
Working in on technical activity and foul on the youngster. His third. You see Donald Mitchell over there cheering on his team.
You want to add TV on to what we got for $50 and get 15 channels? We got 4 at 30 some now.
Mahmoud has been mentioned this round.